Hello, welcome to all of you. I am Agilam Jaybalan. In the earlier episodes, we had been discussing about the basics of the foreign trade, and we also discussed about the licensing formalities as of now regulated by the Government of India. Now, as we have discussed earlier, the formation of the company, the licensing formalities are over. Whatever else are required by the government as of now are completed. Now we are going to enter into the trade. Now the question is, any aspiring foreign trade aspirant or export aspirant has to select one product for selling in the foreign countries. The idea is that how far you focus on a single product, that will be easier for you to get success as much earlier as you like. Now, you have to select one product to sell in the foreign countries. You may be aware that an estimated 65,000 of products are being sold from India to foreign countries. And you have to select one product, and you have to focus your whole attention towards promoting that product to sell in the foreign countries. Likewise, you have to select one country. So the idea should be very specific. You should focus on a single product and you should focus on a single market. One product, one country should be your motto in the beginning, so that you can be able to succeed earliest possible. Now the question is how to select the one product and how to select the one country. There are as many possible ways and means to decide your product to sell in the foreign countries. Absolutely, it is your choice. You are going to decide which is the product to export in the foreign countries. You may be based in any part of the world, any part of India, or in any other foreign country. Now you are going to sell one product in the foreign markets. How to select the one product? You may be having some idea about that particular product. You may be having some experience on the availability of the product, or you may have traded in that particular product, or you may be having a well-designed knowledge about that particular product. You are going to select it. As far as India is concerned, focusing India, my suggestion is that there is a lot of scope for selling agricultural products from India to foreign countries, because you will be definitely knowing well that India is geographically one among the largest countries in the world. To be specific, it is the 7th largest country geographically, and on the basis of population basis, it is the 2nd largest country in the world. So we have a rich human resources as well as geographical resources. And among the geographical resources available, the cultivable land availability in India is extremely more than other bigger countries or even the smaller countries of the world. We have the most agricultural resources, and practically many of the agricultural products produced in India are number one in the world. We can go on telling so many similar products. For example, red chili or green chili is highest available product in India, and banana products are highly available in India. You need not tell about that. Rice is the largest available product in India. And if you go on looking in those areas, you will find that many number of products are available in India which are produced agriculturally in India. So it is generally advisable for an Indian aspiring exporter to go for an agricultural product. And number 2 is the handicraft sector, handicrafts. there are any number of products available in the handicraft sector, particularly the imitation jewelry, the candles, or any other for wooden-based handicrafts, metal-based handicrafts, textile-based handicrafts, and so on. As far as handicrafts products are concerned, it is mostly available in India, and there are mostly no competitors. Remarkable competitors are nowhere in the world. So, handicraft products have the second highest target areas. And definitely the third one is spices, which is also coming into the agricultural sector. It is also having a good value. Then the herbal products and definitely the textile based products. Textile is the highest producer product in India. So it goes on like this. Among the 65,000, an estimated 65,000 of products, you are going to select one product to sell in the foreign countries. Now the question is how to select. I can tell you a very simple idea that you just open the computer and go for the search engine Google, you will find anything easily available. Open the Google and simply type. Suppose you are having a particular product to sell in the foreign markets. You type the name of the product, type the name. Suppose if it is chickpeas. It is an agricultural produce. Or you can take it lemon. Lemon is an agricultural produce. You type in the Google lemon producing countries of the world, and you will be finding so many results that which are all the countries producing lemon in the whole world. You will definitely find India may be coming under the first category or the second or even the third. And you can write down the number of countries which are producing lemon. You take a printout or make a note of it in your notebook. Then again open the Google website, search engine. You type lemon exporting countries, and you will definitely find plenty of results to which are the countries exporting lemon for two other countries. And this is number 2. You can take a note or you can take a printout of it. Then again third, again open the same Google search engine. Which are all the countries you have to find who are importing lemon. So the third time you type in the Google search engine lemon importing countries. And again you will find a many number of host of countries which are importing lemon. Now you have collected 3 information and you can analyze which are the target countries you can sell lemon from India. Yes, you have to select one country. And again the fourth one, again open the Google and search in the engine suppliers of lemon in India or in Tamil Nadu or in Chennai or in Madurai or in Trichy. Anywhere you can make a note. You can type it down in the search engine. So lemon suppliers in Chennai. You will find plenty of suppliers you can find who are supplying lemon. So you have decided the product, you have decided the country, and you have decided the suppliers from whom you can outsource the product for selling in the foreign countries.